Though it might seem intimidating at first to make a cake with so many layers, by carefully following this tutorial you can create a beautiful cake. No matter your experience level, you can master making a 4-layer cake. What you need to follow to make a 4-layer cake. Ingredients for the cake: 2 1/4 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup vegetable oil, 4 eggs, large, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 3 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cups buttermilk, unsalted butter, 4 pans. Ingredients for the frosting: 8 sticks unsalted butter, at room temperature, cut into pieces. Pinch of salt. 10 cups confectioner's sugar, sifted. 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. 6 to 8 tablespoons milk. Equipment: 4 9-inch cake pans, parchment paper, large bowl, electric mixer, sifter, medium bowl, wire rack, serrated knife, offset spatula, plate, turntable, or cake stand. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Butter the 4 cake pans and add parchment paper on the bottom to avoid sticking. Step 2. Beat the granulated sugar and vegetable oil in an electric mixer on medium-high speed for about 3 minutes. The mix should be smooth and creamy. Step 3. Beat the eggs in one at a time. Then add the vanilla and beat the mix at high speed for about 2 minutes. The batter should appear light and fluffy. Step 4. In a medium bowl, sift the flour, salt, and baking soda. With the mixer on low speed, alternate adding flour mix and buttermilk to the batter. Start with the flour mix and add in 3 additions, while adding buttermilk after every time. Step 5. After about 2 minutes, the mix should be smooth. Avoid overmixing the batter. Step 6. Evenly divide the batter among the 4 cake pans. Bake 2 cakes at a time for 15 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let the first 2 cakes cool on a wire rack while the other 2 are baking. Step 7. With an electric mixer, beat the butter and salt on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Slowly add in the confectioner's sugar until smooth, then turn the speed to medium-high and beat for 2 minutes. Gradually add the milk into the frosting until it becomes thick and spreadable in texture. Step 8. Once the cakes are completely cool, take a serrated knife to level off the tops of your cakes if they are uneven. This will allow your cakes to be easier to stack and give the finished product a better overall look. Step 9. Place 1 cake layer on a plate, cake stand, or turntable. Using an offset spatula, spread about 1 1/2 cups of frosting on the cake, repeating with each layer. Once all 4 layers are stacked, use the remaining frosting to cover the sides and top of the cake. Tips and tricks to make a 4-layer cake. You can add food coloring to each layer. Divide your cake into 4 different bowls and add 5 to 10 drops of food coloring to each bowl until you reach your desired color. Once the colors are fully mixed with each bowl, add the cakes into the pans and bake them. Your cake can be kept for 4 to 5 days in an airtight container in the fridge or frozen for up to 6 months, wrapped in plastic wrap, then covered in aluminum foil. Once you are ready to serve your frozen cake, allow it to thaw in the fridge overnight. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.